Saturday, 1835, 27 seconds, year 2023, 8th month, August 12th day. And put some more to the birdhouse on the corner birdhouse. And so this get some good Black & Decker, the orange Black & Decker. And there's the birdhouse right there, cut out of that plank. Received that plank from the storage shed right there. Had to dig amongst the rest of the planks. And this right there is the pool. This fucker's full now. I repositioned everything so that it's more level. That fucker's standing straight up like a full erection now. The other one's losing fluids. It finally dawned on me. I wasn't able to figure out, why isn't the water line going down? I was thinking, God, the water line's staying right where the float is at the top. Then after I saw this one pop all the way, boners up, I looked at this one and I says, oh man, ED. Whole thing's just sinking on the sides. Water level's always going to stay near the blow up doll. So, look at that. Everything's nice and clean in there. Jesus Christ. So that's more like 1,000 gallons right there. Yeah, that's 1,000 gallons. Anyway, I got things set up on the top, so I need to get this eggs tension cord up on the top, so unplug it right there. I'm gonna go through the side whack over here. Plenty of side whack here. Get some wacko jacko on right there. Just need to get the jacko plugged in through here. All plugged up there. Bring the wacko jacko around over to here. Should have plenty of reach up there. Just need to get the wacko jacko up there. Yeah. This is gonna be have to be a two-handed task. So, let's set the wacko like that. Get the brother up on there. Two-handed task going like that. Solid straight. Holding on for dear life. Time to climb up the rope. Yeah, it sure is nice when I finally get a cut that's just right. Oh, there I said the I word again. It sure is nice when the cut is just right. When the cut is there. I just call it there. Probably helps that I'm not baking in the frost of the night sun during the 2 o'clock fucking power hour. And there's plenty of shade. I can see what's going on with the camera. Wrong side. I had it on the proper side already. There it is. So I just bring that over there like that more. Where the fuck did it go? There it is. See if we can get plenty of head in there. Nope, gonna have to back up that more scoop rail. There it is. I got it up on bricks here to hold everything in place. Now just a matter plugging in the binky rail. Reaching inside here for a couple spindle nuts. I don't really need the fleshinator, although I might as well put the fleshinator on it, so I think I'll just side the whole thing with paper and cut some siding for it. I got some custom siding over there. That's old siding from the neighbor's house. He got that up-to-date stuff. Alright, so I just gotta cut these two holes here. Should be smack dab right in the middle. Felt that one give way a little bit. That's pretty smack dab. And this one's gonna go down right here. Smack dab right in the middle. So there's no way to miss now. Well, I better get this one. Be sure it's gonna be smack dab in the middle. Smack dab right in the middle. The old countersunk. Just enough for an hasta la vista. Threw cookies in there. And I'll have the fucking, that bird will have, the blackbird wants to get up in here. The blackbird will have the fucking most custom bird house. I didn't want to write a curse word on here, a cuss word on the side. Custom fuck. Custom bird fuck. That's as good as that gets. Now, since I got 2,000 of these wood screws, I might as well use them all up. Use as many as I need. I don't think I'm going to run out of these fuckers for about a long time. All right. Woo! That's fucking hot. Shit. Brought me back to the panhandling days. I gotta remember that after using that fucker, it fucking gets hot. Remember, I'm on the ledge of a 10-foot drop. Get all focused on these screws, forget to not remember the wood. There's the fucking I word again. that house corner. Not the corner of the house, just the house corner. Help protect that house corner. Wet raindrops and ant housing. Wet raindrops and ant housing. I just need slaps of paint on it. Tar paper it. Roof it and side it. I'd be surprised if some bird use that as a house. That would be fucked if the bird did, because then it might attract ants. They'd be looking for an egg to eat, or a baby bird. But, needless to say, I had to protect it somehow. Suppose I could just paint it with a bunch of fucking tar, but such as that.